Hello everyone, welcome. Welcome to Trupti's Craft. My name is Trupti. I am a paper quilling artist. Sorry I was late. I had some laptop issue and then I had some internet issue. But we are good now. So today I don't have anything to show you, but I didn't finish any works, so I don't have anything to show you. So just today I will show you how to make another kind of paper quilling flower using quilling comb. So let's get started. Let me adjust my another camera. Okay. Okay. So let's see. Okay. Perfect. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to use these two colors. If you want, you can use any color that you want. So, and the length of these strip is 11 inches, 11.25 inches. And that is the size of regular printing paper. So these are actually colored printing paper and I made strips with these papers. And we need quilling comb, we need glue, we need slotted tool, and we also need circle sizer. So let's get started. First, let's use quilling comb. I'm using pink as a main color. So take one strip. This is just one technique I'm going to show you right now. But for actual flower, I'm going to use just half strip. But half strip will be very small to see you. So I'm going to take right now one full strip and I will show you the technique. So what we are going to do, we are going to make loops around this teeth. So last time we made loop from here, but this time we are going to start making loop in between. So insert this strip like this. Try to insert in the middle and then fold it like this. Now take glue and put glue here like this. Now, so this is big side. So take this big side on the top like this and then fold it like this. Now what you have to do, so this is another next pin, right? So you have to take this strip and wrap it around the next pin like this. I will show you from the bottom. It will look like this. Then put glue here. Now what you have to do, take this big strip and this is next strip. So go through, just take this strip, fold it like this and go around next empty strip pin like this. And then again flip it like this and then put glue in the middle. And again fold it like this. Now you have to pass it around this next strip like this. Again flip it and then put glue. So like this We have to follow this procedure. You have to go around next pin, flip it, again put glue, like this. Just do it. So first, when you do this first time, you will think it's hard. It is actually not hard. It's very easy. It will just if you do it a couple of times, you will get it. So like this, just wrap whole strip around it, glue the end, hold it for a few seconds, and remove it carefully like this. So your loop will look like this. So we need to make two of these loops for one petal. I will show you again. So take one strip, find the middle of this comb, insert the strip like this, fold it, take glue, put glue here, and this is big part. So I am going to wrap this strip around these two middle pins. So take this big strip on top like this and then fold it. Now we have to go around next pin like this, flip it, put glue, and then wrap the strip around the next pin like this. Again flip it. Now put glue, go to the next pin, put glue. So like this we are going to make 14 or 12 or 14 loops. So this one strip loop will be little bit big for petal. So what you can do, you can just use half strip, or you can just measure the loops, 4 loops from both sides. So that is the length of the loop, length of one loop. If you want to make a big flower, you can use whole strip, but I want a small size flower, so I am going to use just half strip. So like this, you have to make it, remove it carefully, and then what you have to do, bend this loop like this. You have to bend both loops like this. Now we will take one different color strip and we will make one loose coil, and with that loose coil we will make eye shape. So this is full strip, and so this is slotted tool. If you are new, this is slotted tool. It has one slot. You have to insert strip inside the slot like this and then roll it gently. You don't have to press these fingers. This is just for support, and then roll it. Roll whole strip, then remove it and put it in the size 3 circle like this, and then remove this loose coil and find the seam open part, hold it like this and then pinch it like this, and then put glue like this. So you have eye shape. So we need two loops and one eye shape for one petal. Now what we have to do, put glue on one loop, one side of one loop like this, and then put eye shape like this in the middle, and then take another loop and then put glue on one side of the loop, and then wrap it, glue it like this. So we are gluing three parts together like this. Now what I am going to do, I am going to wrap pink strip around this. If you want, you can use different color strip, but I am going to use pink strip only. Just put glue, take pink strip, hold it like this for a few seconds, and then wrap around these three shapes like this, and then glue this part, and cut excess strip. So you have to make 6 of these kind of petals. So this is big petal. I want small flower, so I made more small petals like this. You can see the difference between these two petals. So this is big petal and this is small petal. I want small flower, so I am using small petal. So make 6 to 7 petals. Now take base. So this is just a cardboard, and I wrapped it with plastic wrap. We also need some pins. Now let's glue all those petals together. Take petal, one petal, put glue like this, put it here, take one pin and push pin like this. Now glue another petal near to that. From this side also. Now take another petal, put glue. Remember to put pins so that your petals will remain at the same place. Otherwise, sometimes if you put lot of glue or by mistake, if they will just move. So it's better to put pins. So this is my last petal. Just glue it. Now for the middle part, I am going to use this green shade strip, and I am going to roll it. Okay. Take one strip and roll it and make tight coil. And just remove it and glue it. Hold it for a few seconds. So this is tight coil. Just keep it like this, and after some you have to wait for some time, and after some time hold your fingers like this, and then remove these middle pins. It's very important to hold your fingers like this, otherwise what happens, sometimes when you if you remove pins like this, the middle part will come out. So just hold your fingers like this, and then remove pins, and then now we will glue the tight coil in the middle like this. So, and let this dry completely. So this is the flower. We can use single color, you can use multicolor, it's up to you, but I think double color will look beautiful. Okay, so let me adjust my this camera again. Okay, so I hope you like this flower, and I hope you will make this flower again. And please don't forget to uh, share your creations with me, and if you want to learn something new, please don't hesitate to ask me. I will try to teach you as much as I can. Um, so if you have any requests, please send me your request. So that's it for today. So for till next time, good night and happy quilling. Bye.